Want to unlock the secrets to finding incredible real estate deals using just one powerful tool? Today, we're diving deep into Redfin, showing you exactly how to use its hidden features to sniff out undervalued properties and potential investment goldmines. First, head over to redfin.com and enter your desired location in the search bar. For this example, let's search for properties in Austin, Texas. Now, the real magic begins. Click on all filters. This is where you refine your search to uncover those hidden gems. Start by setting your price range and selecting your desired property type, like houses, condos, or townhomes. Scroll down to more filters. Here's where you can find true deals. Check the boxes next to price reduced, and also, if you're feeling adventurous, explore foreclosures and auction. These options will narrow your search to properties with motivated sellers, which can translate to significant savings. Now, examine the map view closely. Look for properties marked with red price reduction tags. These are your potential hotspots. Click on each one to view the listing details. Pay close attention to the price history chart. A consistent downward trend could indicate a highly motivated seller. Also, don't forget to click the save button to track properties you're interested in. Set up instant alerts to stay ahead of the competition. Redfin will notify you immediately when a new property matching your criteria hits the market or when there's a price change on a saved listing. To do this, simply click the Turn on Alerts button. Finally, use Redfin's market analysis tools to compare similar properties in the area. If a property is significantly underpriced compared to its comps, it could signal a fantastic deal. This information can be found within each saved listing. That's it. By mastering these Redfin tips, you'll be well on your way to finding amazing property deals and maximizing your real estate investment potential. Happy hunting!